Welcome guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are killing the new boss, the Balrog. This is my first ever time doing this, so I'm not that good. If you want to give me any tips, you can give me tips. But these people in the server are great people, and like, subscribe, and shout out to all of them. And yeah, let's get into it. Let's go. Guys, this will be a long one, I think. So not. It's like more than a half, so yeah. So if you want to kill the Balrog, try to go into public. No, it's a lot more than half. Guys, we got this. Come on, hit him the back. Ah, guys, someone's dead. We broke. This is for me. Guys, sit on it, I repeat, sit on it.
Guys, so this is what the new Mario is.
Sit on it. Guys, it's a lot of fractal. Makes like, little symptoms, but a little. I might die here, but it's fine. So
Teddy, have you noticed?
oh, I got him dead. Guys, I'm gonna go.
How is it golden?
Dude, get off! Wait, guys, look at me die! Ah! But I died in front of
I
him.
would have killed you, Casper, if you stayed a little bit longer.
Yeah, I don't think Bobby is okay. I think he might have some severe
Sitting on the edge.
What do you mean I have some severe things? Oh, you see, guys. We need to give luck, so like, subscribe, so I can get the ball in the first try.
The way there's a YouTuber.
This will only work if you like, subscribe. So if you do not like, subscribe,
Can
I
I
need to be your toes.
Where can I revive my diamond?
I'm joking, I won't do that. I'm not doing my card, like to go underneath your bed and it says, don't have to do my diamond. I don't know why they made a Galaxy Rex a minion. I am completely Guys, the only reason why I did not get it because you did not like subscribe. Naughty, naughty.